Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey down I-49 as well as U.S. Highway 71 in Missouri, beginning in Vernon County at mile marker 110. We enter the city of Nevada, not to be confused with or pronounced the same as the state of Nevada. Nevada is the county seat of Vernon County and had an estimated population of 8,254 as of 2018. From 1897 to 1933, Nevada was home to the Weltmer Institute of Suggestive Therapeutics, founded by Sidney Abram Weltmer and Joseph H. Kelly. During the early 20th century, this healing institute attracted thousands of clients who believed in Weltmer's cures by mental healing. People paid $100 to stay for a 10-day course of treatment. They also paid for instructional classes. The institute attracted so many clients that the railroad added new trains to its schedule serving the town. In addition, the volume of mail associated with the institute's business resulted in the post office being classified as first class and the government building a new, larger post office to handle it. The institute attracted psychotherapists, clairvoyants, and people promising various types of miracle cures for such illnesses as tuberculosis, which then had no cure. After Weltmer's death and the closure of the institute in 1933, the mansion was sold for use as a funeral home. By late 2004, the building was slated for demolition in order to redevelop the site. Although some residents were interested in its history in the Weltmer Institute, the building was never nominated as a significant historic building or classified for preservation. The City Council approved it being scheduled to be demolished in late 2004 for other development.
Walked in darkness, my home was a night. They came into my life, showed me brilliant light. 'Cause you radiate, you fill my heart again. The grace that never ends. I know that you with me. Take me to a new horizon. I've never known a joy so vibrant. Your love is where I found my life in. And you glow in my heart. You glow in my heart. grace that never ends. I know that you with me. Take me to a new horizon. I've never known a joy so vibrant. Your love is where I found my life in. You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart. You glow in my heart.
Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos.
'Cause you radiate. You fill my heart again. A grace that never ends. And you glow in my heart. And you glow in my heart.
Never knew a moment could feel so right, could slow down time like this. Everything I needed is in your eyes and in your mind. Maybe it's crazy to fall so soon. Give it all to you, hey, but I don't care what they say. Please promise me you'll stay, 'cause I'm not going anywhere. Hold me under the stars, 'cause what's mine could be yours if you want it. Baby, show me all that you are, 'cause tonight I'll be yours if you want it. You make me so bold. You make me so bold. You make me so bold. You make me so. You make me so. There's no second guessing, I can be myself. You understand so well. Hey, hey, maybe we're crazy and passionate, how we're rushing in. Hey, but I don't care what they say. Diving in anyway, and I'm not going anywhere. So hold me under the stars, 'cause what's
We enter Barton County, which had a population of 11,798 as of 2018. President Harry S. Truman was born in Barton County in 1884, and female bandit Little Britches was born in Barton County in 1879.
you make me so bold. You make me so bold. You make me so bold. You make me so. You make me so. So hold me under the stars, 'cause what's mine could be yours if you want it. Baby, show me all that you are, 'cause tonight I'll be yours if you want it.
We conclude today's video at mile 85. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.